Silver Psycho's quickie video on ABRA Silver because someone asked me specifically about it, and then I looked at the chart and it's well, it's a great chart. So monthly cup and handle potential setup here, right? So uh, beautiful cup, right? And we're just going to be waiting now for this handle to form. So it's probably gonna, if the pattern plays out, right? So again, the nature of what is a cup and handle pattern? Well, it's just an old mentor from a long time ago said, "I love these rounding bottoms. Shows buyer support." Really? So that is the cup, right? Lots of buyer support. This is accumulation going on in here. People when they want to accumulate positions, they trade through them. Right, so they position up, or they sell partials. They're trying to get risk free. They're determining a level that where they know they might be wrong. They're trying to give themselves a little bit of room so they get off of this crazy stop hunt, right? And they can still be relatively risk free. That's what these rounding bottoms represent, right? So the handle part of it represents, tightening range and accumulation again, right? So everyone sees this. This is not an uncommon pattern. We see it throughout history in markets and through almost any equity in any sector. So, but this is a picture perfect one, right? This right side, one of the requirements is the right side of the cup should be lower than the left. We've got that, right? And now you're just starting to get that consolidation. So listen, this could go out until summer of next year, or maybe shorter, maybe longer. You start to look when I look in some shorter term time frames, but it's a very good look for the name. And silver is, the physical silver is cooperating for the bullish thesis on this name. The technicals are saying bullish. The fundamentals are saying bullish. So, I don't trade the TSX, but it's a nice name. It's a really nice looking chart. Yeah. You want to study what a cup and handle looks like, or what it's going to look like. If you want to start working on your early pattern recognition, this is it. This is not a cup and handle, but this is a cup, and it is potential for the handle. You can start to say that maybe this is, but this is really just the beginnings of the handle. So you can watch it play out in real time, just from a charting curiosity perspective, if you want. Weekly, fine. Just sideways range, but the range is expanding, right? So you can go back into May of 2024 in that area, and you had this range, this $2, this 210 to 290 range, right? So now the range is expanded to 350 and 229. So it's expanded a little bit, right? You can see these tops expanding. Nice little look again, right? And it lost. It never even lost this weekly uptrend. I mean, you could say it kind of had these pivots that would call it a really quickie downtrend, but never followed through. So it's how it had a nice move and a pivot. So it set this higher low, which is great, and it set the higher low off this little breakout area. So this was essentially kind of all a retest of the breakout. So you've got that going for you on the weekly too. Um, Let me just delete that. That's out. So the daily is starting to show signs of slight weakness, but it's ABRA, right? It's a TSX. You're going to get this look. It was crazy looking set of candles right here. So, but that's just all one move. So this is just a straight down move. It doesn't look like that because the way it was traded. I mean, there's obviously people are day trading this name, and when I see stuff like this, but whatever. Um, but it made a pivot here and it failed to get over this high again. So you have to start seeing in a very, very short term, maybe there's a little bit more consolidation heading for this name, which is a good thing because, stretched out moving averages, maybe just get them to tighten up again because that enables the next leg up. But it's a beautiful monthly chart. Absolutely beautiful monthly chart. Devil over and out.